Hello and welcome to MG Tracy. Now, if you're staying in a choice hotel, you're going to find they now have their own coffee and tea system, which is very similar to the Keurig, but not quite the Keurig. So here is the easy instructions on how to use it. So you haven't got many controls, so you've basically got a boil on off button there, and you've got a little release here. Now, you're in a hotel room, you don't know how well clean this is going to be. So take that bit, which is where your pod's going to go, and give that a good rinse. Just have a good look in there, make sure that looks reasonably clean. If it doesn't, just run the system with some hot water through into an empty cup without putting a pod in, just to sterilise everything. Now this is all okay, so I have got my choice privileges cup with water in it, and I'm going to just pour that in the side there. It's not easy, so make sure you're accurate, otherwise you're going to find you pour it all over the floor. Then we're going to take our little pod. This is the drip through pod, very similar to Keurig. And you pull this down and that'll puncture that, like that, and this should stay shut. Right, now we're going to come around, we're going to flip on this. And you hear a burst of activity and then you think nothing's happening, but as long as it stays red, you're okay. And that is busy going to boil the water, and it will drip through into the cup there. Now in the room you often have dried milk. I don't like that. So you'll find in reception at most of these hotels you've got some nicer half and half or UHT milk, which certainly tastes a lot better. And if you need something special like you're lactose intolerant, then really you're going to have to bring some oat milk or something with you. Now if you're making tea, it's pretty much the same thing if you're going to use the pod. I'm just going to put the pod in and follow the same steps. If you want to use your own tea bag, then I'll show you how to do that one at the end of the video. So there we are, that's nearly done. And basically the system senses that it's out of water. It basically sort of overheats, and a little thermal cutout will ping that switch to off. So it doesn't take very long. It doesn't take So there we go, that has pinged, that's off. I'd give that a minute or so to reset. If you try and boil another cup straight away, it tends not to work. It needs to cool down a bit. Also, in some of the machines, when you pour the water in for the second cup, you'll get a burst of steam that can come out of the top that could scald you. So just give it a break before you start the next one. Right, I'm going to let that cool down and I'll show you how to make it if you've actually bought your own tea bags. Okay, so that's cooled down. So just to empty that previous pod now, you just pick up your little hook there, come over and drop that one in the bin. Right, now if you wanted to make a cup of tea with a tea bag, you need to get your tea bag and spread it out a bit. Lay it on the top there and just poke it into the middle so that you've made it the water. You're going to force that water through. Whichever cup you're going to put underneath is the one you measure the water into. Then we're going to pull that down. Hit that again. And then that will now drip the boiling water through that tea bag, so you can have exactly the tea you want. If you want a chamomile tea or somewhat different tea you brought with you, you can use the choice machine quite adequately to make that. So I hope you found that very useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and come back every day for a lot more fun here on MG Tracy. This is Paul from London. I'm currently in the States. This video isn't sponsored. I'll see you very soon. Cheerio.